Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given trigonometric function using the chain rule. Looking into this given trigonometric function, we can see that our secant is actually being squared. Take note that when we say secant squared of any angle, this means that the entire second function of x is being squared. That's a short review on our trigonometric functions in our high school. But this time, since we are talking about antiderivative, we do have a rule for the antiderivative of a secant squared of any angle. But this time, our angle is another function. Hence, this is truly a composite function which would need to use the chain rule or the second rule, which will be made available in the next video. You have here the integral of 4 secant of 5 minus 2x squared, or secant squared of 5 minus 2x, or the square of secant of 5 minus 2x dx. Okay, so let's take out 4. It's a constant multiple, so you have here the integral of the square of your secant of 5 minus 2x dx. And as mentioned, one of the rules that we have in anti-differentiating trigonometric functions is when you have the integral of your square of your secant x dx, which would give us tangent x plus c. Okay, we have presented this as well in this same playlist when we talk about the simple or the basic forms of anti-differentiating secant functions or secant squared of x here. Now, this is to be used later on once we have simplified or identified all the necessary inputs for our chain rule. As mentioned, we have here our composite function, the square of your secant of 5 minus 2x. That would mean we can say that our f of x would be the square of secant x, and our g of x would then be the angle 5 minus 2x. Okay, when we try to include that as the x value of your f of x, providing we come up with composite function, it's the same as the original form. So obviously, chain rule will be used, and in this chain rule we will be using this later as well. So let's continue the integral of your composite function f of g of x, but we are going to multiply this by the g prime of x, or the derivative of your angle dx, which would equal to the antiderivative of your outer function with respect to your component g of x plus c. Okay, so that is the process here. As mentioned, this is what we need. Where do we get that? It's actually from here. Your g prime of x would be equal to negative 2. Please be careful with the sign, okay? Because our g of x is 5 minus 2x. It's not plus, it's 5 minus 2x. In short, it's very important to look at the sign, because if you're not going to include that, your g prime of x later on will be positive, and when you return here, it would make our item very problematic. So take note of those signs as very important. So going back here in our given, you have 4, the integral of your secant squared of your 5 minus 2x. Then you will have to multiply this by negative 2, then dx, so that this would be the chain rule in itself. But of course, when you multiply it with negative 2, you need to neutralize that negative 2 by dividing negative 2 outside, so that is just the same as the original. Okay, simplifying the outside constant, you will have negative 2, and then this time you will have to provide now the value or the integral form or the antiderivative of the innermost function, or the function with respect to our g of x, and we'll be using this. So the result will be tangent x plus c, but our x is again a binomial expression. You have your tangent of your angle 5 minus 2x before your plus c. multiplying the entire terms of the binomial expression by -2. So you have your -2 tangent of your 5 minus 2x. Then you will have to say, let's say, minus 2c, because you're multiplying -2 to c. But of course, just a general form, you can simply place here plus c. This would be the answer for this item. This is the antiderivative of the given function using the chain rule, which will also be verified later on with another rule on the next video as well. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!